If you see the flower of Delanex regia, you will find petals which are appearing in red color due to co-pigmentation of anthocyanin and flavonoids. Anthocyanin and flavonoids. So in the petal color which appearing in red color because of the co-pigmentation of anthocyanins and flavonoids. So present in the vacuoles of petals, as well as if you see the inflorescence which is called racemose inflorescence, racemose, indefinite peduncle. If you observe this peduncle is not going to ends, so which will be continued further. So indefinite peduncle consists of pedicellate flowers. So if you see that every flower will have a small stalk is called pedicel. So indefinite peduncle consists of pedicellate flowers in acropetal succession. What is acropetal? Old flowers at the base. Old flowers are located at the base and young flowers are located at the tip. So the birds are identifying here. So young flowers are located at the tip. This arrangement is called acropetal succession. So now racemose inflorescence definition. Indefinite peduncle consists of pedicellate flowers in acropetal succession is called racemose inflorescence. So racemose inflorescence is exclusive feature of Fabaceae family. So Fabaceae members consist of inflorescence is racemose inflorescence. Definition I will repeat. Indefinite peduncle consists of pedicellate flowers in acropetal succession is called racemose inflorescence. If you observe one flower, what are found in the flower? So it is consisting of green color sepals and colorful petals, as well as stamen. Male reproductive organ is the stamen and female reproductive organ also is present, which is centrally called gynoecium. So let me take one flower in detail. If you observe the structure of flower which consists of small stalk, see now I am holding this stalk, is called as pedicel. A small stalk which is present at the base of the flower is called pedicel. Now the flower is called pedicellate flower. Pedicels are present in a flower is called pedicellate flower. If you see all floral parts, if you observe the all floral parts which are present in four whorls, the first whorl is green color sepals. There are totally 5 sepals are present, 5 sepals which are protecting at bud stage. Second whorl of a flower consists of colorful petals. This color is due to co-pigmentation of anthocyanin and flavonoids. Once again, red color is because of co-pigmentation of anthocyanin and flavonoids. So these flowers are involved, these petals are involved in attracting insects for the pollination. If you can go for third whorl of a flower consists of male reproductive organ is called stamen or androecium. So there are totally 10 stamens are present. If you observe the structure of stamen which consists of small stalk is called filament. At the top of the filament a swollen part is present is called as anther. So anther is producing male gametes which are present inside the pollen grain. So anthers are responsible for production of pollen grains. In the pollen grain, male gametes are present. So there are totally 10 stamens are present in the Delanex regia. Now if you see at the center of the flower, so without anther, a small stalk is present. If you observe that, which is called female reproductive organ is called gynoecium or pistil or carpel. Now you are finding the gynoecium. Gynoecium, which consists of a swollen part at the base called ovary. Next continued as a style. At the tip it is called stigma. So there are three parts are present in gynoecium. One is ovary. A swollen part is present at the base is called ovary, and style stigma. Like the three parts are present. If you see structure of stamen, which consists of two parts, already said earlier. So filament is present as well as at the tip anther is present. So filament which exposes the anther to certain heights, and anther synthesizes pollen grains. After formation of pollen grains, anther dehiscence the pollen grains. And if you see, so in Delanex flower, 4 whorls, all the floral parts are present. So the flower is called complete flower. A flower that consists of 4 whorls in it is called complete flower. If any whorl is absent, is called incomplete flower. But Delanex regia, flower is called complete flower. Among these 4 whorls, calyx and corolla. So first whorl is calyx. So green color sepals together is called calyx. And in the second whorl, colorful petals together called corolla. So calyx and corolla